Welcome! In this video we will learn a child piece called It is Raining by Samuil Majkapar. So this piece is in C sharp minor, so we have 4 sharps, and just be careful, we also have double sharps in this piece. But let's start with the right hand. We start on the note G sharp, and as you can hear, it is very important to make a difference between staccato and tenuto. So it's short, short, long. And so on. So it's very important here to play very softly and to have a light touch. So don't hit the keys like this, but very, very gently. Stay on the surface of the keys. Let's try one more time with the right hand. And here's I make a diminuendo at the end of a phrase, so let's play it again. Go on. So this is our B section from measure number 5 with upbeat. So we start piano, and here we make a crescendo, and even more to forte and diminuendo to piano. So one more time from measure number 5 with upbeat. And then we have again the A part. Now let's add the left hand. So here, as you can hear, this is just very gently staccato. And diminuendo, the end of the phrase. Now let's go on with measure number 5 with upbeat. So this is the B part, and here it's very important to show the dynamics. So we start piano, very quiet, crescendo, forte, and diminuendo, and piano. And we go back to our main theme from the beginning. Let's play it one more time. And here in the left hand, in measure number 8, this is F with double sharps, so we play technically a G on the piano. And in the same, in measure number 9 and in measure number 10 we have the same, so just be careful with the double sharps. Let's play one more time from measure number 5 with upbeat. And then we go on. Measure number 11 with upbeat is the same as the beginning. Here at the end we have a fermata on the last note of each hand, so we can hold this longer, and also a ritardando in the last measure. Let's play again from measure number 11 with upbeat. So, and now let's play the whole piece one more time. So this was my tutorial on a child piece called It Is Raining by Samuil Majkapar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.